Welcome to C++ programming. Today we'll be looking at a multiple line display, as we also look at using the displaying columns output using, like when you are working with Word, we use the tab key. Now here we are going to see how we are going to sort out that puzzle. Without wasting much time, we'll go into the details. We have here the title, displaying more than one line. Here we'll be showing more than one line in the output. So to do this, in order to make this second appear in the new line, the second line to appear in the next line, there is a statement that is a key word we use, that is the backslash followed by new. Then the other one, display, use the end line, the end line, the end line here. This will make the second line go, this line go into the next. So without wasting much time, we'll switch off from here and go into the IDE. Okay, as we demonstrate, we have to put in mind that these lines you are seeing here are supposed to be placed in the main program. So we'll start with the first one, but first of all I have already typed something here which we are going to use. If you check here, we have C out, hello world. Then the second C out, I am a new computer program. I am a new computer program. But if we run this, because we haven't put these characters, the new line or end line, we'll discover that what we'll see here, the two lines will appear in the same line. So we'll try to run this one, compile and run, but because we have not saved it, will take us to saving. So we'll save as multiple line display. We'll save it. So if there is no error we have made, but already I'm seeing an error here. So this error here, expected, here it's saying expected token. We must put the semicolon at the end there. We should also remember to put return 0 with a semicolon. We'll try to run it again, compile and run. So if there is nothing wrong here, it's supposed to bring us, if you check, it has run. But now surprisingly we have hello world, I am a new program. If you check, it is in the same line here. This means that there should be some, we must employ now the new line. So we'll press any key there to remove that black screen. So we shall employ the backslash here and put the new line, a backslash with n. This is the one that brings in the new line. We see how this one will be put in the separate lines. Okay, check now. Here we have hello world. It has ended there. Then a next line has gone into the next line, like you have pressed enter when you're using Word or any other application. So this demonstrates how this can be done, displaying multiple lines in separate lines. So we are going to change this and now using the end line, the other part, the end line aspect. We are going to use the end line. So we'll put this one and angle brackets, then end L there. We see we are going to run it once again to check if it will give us the same response. Okay, if you check again here, you have the same response where we have a hello world. Hello world, I am a new computer program. That makes our program very interesting. We move further. If we want to increase the space there, we can again put another one where we just say end L. This will just give us another, supposed to give us another line there. So we'll try to run this and check. Okay, you have seen how the line has expanded there. We are just demonstrating what end line or backslash plus new is able to do. So we'll move back to our demonstration. We'll move back to our demonstration, the aligning columns of output. Now, to align columns of the output, we now change from the N here where we have a backslash. For the first one, we are using backslash and N for the new line. This time we are using backslash and the letter T to work as a tab to arrange the text in columns. It does not work well if the text in columns have different lengths or varying lengths. So we'll see it in this example as we'll try to run this example, which we have here where we have cout, username, backslash T, then first name. This is a tab here, backslash. Let me use this pointer. Okay, if you check here backslash, then the T, this one, this combination gives us a space of our own varying size according to the way we set it. Then first name, then we have a backslash N. This one is just telling us, say we are going into the next line. Then it is ending with a semicolon. Then we have the next line, which is a C line, cout, then angle brackets with some dashes which are embedded in the double quotation. So this one will just come as a line when we put it in the IDE, the integrated development environment. Then we have now the names coming in. We have Bomela, whether it's a first name, this is the surname, now followed by the first name at the end. The space will be created by backslash plus T. Then we go into the next line, another name, Lubasi, the tab, then Pule as the first name, then the new line. Then we move to the next where we have Mwape. Then it takes us. Then the output now, it's supposed to come out as surname, then this one which was a tab, the space here, the backslash plus T was a tab, then the first name. Then the line here which we are displaying here is coming down now. This is the line that we are seeing here. This was a line for cout with this line, then new line. Then you go to Bomela, we have Bomela here. Then Luvasi, cout Luvasi, Pule. Then cout Mwape, Tandi with this a backslash plus T, which is showing us here. So now let's go to the IDE. We'll see how we can do this one. We go to the IDE and see how we can be able to do this one. So we are going to make some changes in this code here. Here, the first line, remember what we are seeing here is in the main function, is in the function. So we are going to make changes here where we are going to do hello. We are going to remove hello there and put we are getting the way it is, surname. Then we are going to put a backslash T. Then we can put the first name. first name there. We are trying, let me use the symbol which has been used there, where we use the backslash plus n for the new line. Then here we are going to change this part, introduce the double quotation. We'll put the line there, those dashes with a new line symbol. Then next we are going to now indicate what we have there. The first name we have there, cout, is the Bomera. Anyway, I have put them in capital letters. Let me take them exactly the way they were. Bomera, then a tab, the T there. Then in the other name is Nomsa, first name, new line. We go to the next one where we have again a cout, angle brackets, double quotation. The next cout is for Luvasi, then tab, Luvasi tab, that is Luvasi Pulem. Introduce the new line, a semicolon. The next line, cout, angle brackets, double quotation. Next cout is Mwape, tab, then Mwape, this is Mwape Nandi, put a new line, semicolon. We can add another name here, semicolon, where I can have, I'll put my name there, tab, the tab there which we use in new line. We move, then having done this, we'll try to run this one and see what it will bring. Remember, we have just changed what is in the main function. The main function is what we have changed. The other part, the header files, remains the way they are. So we'll try to run it, but because we had not yet saved, we had already saved in the previous one, we have saved it with another name. So we'll see the next part. We have, if you check here, see how the output is coming. We have surname, first name, then Bomera Nomsa. We have Bomera Nomsa, Luvasipule, Mwapenandi, Ketani handover. So if we want to increase the size here, we can introduce another tab there where we double the tab. Even here we'll double it, we'll double the tab. We double it here, we double it also here. we double it here. So run this one, compile and run. We see what happens, what will be the output. Okay, if you check the space now, how it has become, it has widened the space between the surname and the first names. Now you are able to see this, how nice it is. Now sometimes when the names are have different lengths, you discover that this alignment may not work well, so you may have to, on one of them, you increase the number of tabs so that they are aligned correctly. So next, now we move to the next part, where now we are getting into the exercise.